What's your message to each other?
My message to you, my wife. Ay, gusto ko.
Oh, sakto na. Sakto na. After naman.
Is that?
Sige daw, balik daw. What's your message to each other?
My message to you, my Rhea Maridigo, daw. Gusto ko.
Sulit mo na ko.
My message to you, my Rhea Maridigo, daw. Is that I am so grateful, I am so blessed nga gihatag ka sa Ginoo.
Oh, nang lain.
Siya ako.
God give me you. Sige, sige.
Yes. My message to you, my Rhea Maridigal now, is that I am so thankful, I am so blessed, I am so grateful na gihatag ka sa Ginoo. God gave me you to show me for all the times I
Sige daw.
No.
My message to you, my Rhea Maridigal daw, is that I am so grateful, I am so blessed to have you in my life, to be your partner, to be your husband. Then, not just...
Okay, cut lang. Cut.
Ang sinadya.
Ni Ever.
Ewan.
Or nag-compute ba yung syntax niya or Go. Message to you, my Rhea Maridigal daw, is that I am so blessed, I am so grateful nga gihatag ka sa Ginoo nako. Not just you but also your family, kay tungod sa imong family o ikaw kay imo ko gigaydan, not just emotionally but also spiritually. Thank you for the guidance.